CULTUREROB here. I just picked up a case of Horror Classics Walgreens exclusive Series 3 Mystery Minis. I'm going to do an unboxing. This is a sealed case. This one, I had to open this one so they could ring it up. But other than that, completely sealed. Other than this one, still sealed. Alright, so I want to do this so you guys could see the layout and the unboxing of it. So let's get to it and do it. Okay, so let's start the unboxing. Again, this is the only one that was taken out. This is still sealed, and this was taken out so they could ring it up at the store. These are the Walgreens exclusive Horror Classics Mystery Mini Series 3. I'm gonna turn the box around because this is how you would find it at the store. So number one is gonna be top right, I guess slot 1, let's call it. Okay, move this over so you can see. Bring out the trusty little knife. Alright, so got the shark, Jaws. Alright, so the first one is Jaws. It's not on the back. I believe it's a 1 of 6 rarity. So now we're gonna go slot 1 on the left top. Okay, so slot 2. Alright, from a Clockwork Orange, it's a 1 out of 12 rarity. Alright, so now we continue on. Let's go top right, slot 2. Okay, so top right, slot 2 is Elvira, also 1 of 12. Top left, slot 2. You come in if you want. Okay, so that's a Wolfman Dude, whatever his name is, and that's a 1 of 6. Now we're going top right, slot 3, or all the way in the back. I'm trying to do this fast. I'm actually sweating, that's how fast I'm doing it. Okay, so here we have the Ghostbusters Dude. I don't know his name. I should know his name, but I don't. But this is the exclusive, and this is a 1 of 12. So the exclusive on this case is in that, don't move that, sweetie, the top right, slot 3. Let's go for top left, slot 3, or all the way in the back. Alright, so this is from American Psycho, and it's a 1 of 12. So now we're going to the bottom. Okay, so we're going to start bottom right, slot number 1. Okay, Regan, I believe her name is Regan from Exorcist. That's a 1 of 12. Okay, so bottom left slot 1. So that's another Wolfman in the bottom left slot 1, and this is a 1 of 6. So this is bottom right slot 2, or right in the middle. And that is Twisty from American Horror Story. And Twisty is a 1 of 12. Bottom left slot 2, or right in the middle. Cool. All right, this is a 1 of 12. So you got the twins. Okay, so now we're getting to the last two. This is going to be bottom right slot 3, or the slot all the way in the back. Alright, so I don't know what this guy's name is. He's a 1 of 12. Last but not least, bottom left slot 3, or the slot all the way in the back and the bottom left. Ooh, nice. It's a 1 of 36. That's from The Shining. To cap it all off, bottom left, all the way in the back, I got the only 1 of 36. And then top right, all the way in the back, was a Walgreens exclusive. I hope this helps everybody out. Good luck hunting, and we'll see you soon.